Welcome to the final chapter of our Amsterdam journey. Today, we venture south to the city's cultural heart and its most vibrant neighborhoods. The Rijksmuseum is a masterpiece of 19th-century architecture, housing the legendary works of Rembrandt and Vermeer. Just behind it lies Museumplein, a grand public square where art, music, and the community converge. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Steps away, the Van Gogh Museum holds the world's largest collection of his work, tracing the evolution of his tortured but brilliant mind. The square is anchored by the Concertgebouw, legendary for its acoustics, and home to one of the world's finest orchestras. Now let's trade stone for greenery. Welcome to Vondelpark, the green lung of Amsterdam. Opened in 1865, this 47-hectare oasis is where the city comes to breathe, cycle, and find a moment of peace. The park was designed in the English landscape style, with irregular ponds and rolling lawns that shift with the seasons. Built on marshland, the park is actually sinking. It requires a total renovation every 30 years to keep the water at bay. You might stop at the Blue Tea House, a striking modernist pavilion that has hosted generations of thirsty explorers. Leaving the park behind, we enter the dense, eclectic streets of De Pijp, Amsterdam's bohemian Latin quarter. At its heart is the Albert Kuip Market, the busiest and most famous street market in the entire country. It's the place to try traditional Dutch snacks, from fresh, syrup-filled stroopwafels to the iconic raw herring. Whether you're a foodie or a fashion hunter, the energy here is a multicultural melting pot of pure Amsterdam life. Look closely at the brickwork. This is the Amsterdam school style, architecture designed to give the working class a sense of pride. Nearby, the Sarfati Park offers a more intimate retreat, named after the man who helped shape the modern city. From historic dams to cultural cathedrals and bohemian alleys, we've walked through the layers of 4 centuries of history. Amsterdam is a city that never stops evolving, yet always stays true to its boundless, water-carved charm. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Thank you for walking with us.